Hello everyone, I'm Sarah, your AI guide. Welcome back to a new English lesson with Safar AI, your journey to better English. I'm here to help you learn about how to use shall to make suggestions or talk about simple future plans. Let's begin with the key points. What does shall mean? Using shall for suggestions. Using shall to offer help. Answering questions with shall. Choose the correct answer. Practice examples. Summary. What does shall mean? Shall is a polite and friendly way to make suggestions or offer ideas. We usually use shall with I or we in questions. We don't usually use shall with you, he, she, or they. Examples. Shall we have coffee? Suggestion. Shall I open the window? Offer to help. Using shall for suggestions. To suggest doing something together, use shall we. Examples. Shall we meet at 5 o'clock? Shall we cook pasta tonight? Using shall to offer help. We also use shall I to offer help politely. Examples. Shall I carry your bag? Shall I call a taxi for you? Answering questions with shall. When someone asks you a question with shall, you can answer politely like this. Yes answers. Yes, please. Or, no, thank you. Good idea. Or, maybe later. Example. Shall we go now? Yes, please. Or, no, thank you. Choose the correct answer. Now try to choose the correct reply before me. Shall we go to the cinema? A. Yes, please. B. No, you're welcome. Shall I help you with your homework? A. Yes, good idea. B. No, I don't have. Nice. Practice examples. Let's speak together. Make suggestions or offers using shall. Repeat after me. You want to suggest having lunch. Shall we have lunch now? You want to help your friend carry something. Shall I help you? You suggest watching a movie tonight. Shall we watch a movie? You're doing great. Summary. Let's review. Use shall to make polite suggestions or offers. Shall we start? Suggestion. Shall I help you? Offer. Respond politely. Yes, please. Or, no, thank you. Thanks for watching. Keep learning with Safar AI, your journey to better English. And remember, practice makes perfect.